Hello, everyone. Today is Monday, April 29, 2024. I wanted to review with you a couple of setups that happened earlier today, actually at around 10:20 in the morning in Crude. So you see here, you do have the anchor chart to the left right here. And in here, you see that there is a break out of this candle right here to the downside in this area right there, right? That is an indication that the price could move lower when it went below the previous day high that you have there. So let's look at this previous day high. It's right there, and we started to move actually in this area, kind of sideways. You have an up down move, then finally break below that previous day high, and then came back and touched once more the moving averages. So there are a couple of valid entries here. This one is the first one. That up down, it's a first entry, but it was short lived all the way there. Now the second entry was a little bit more clear. You do have in this area momentum moving to the downside. You see that there's an attempt to go up, but then fails and continues moving down. So in here, the perfect entry would have been at that sweet spot right there. Price continued to move down all the way up until around the 82.50 level, and then it started to bounce back up. So let's see, let's put the measure here per contract. You would have entered around this area here. So I'm going to put there and move all the way down. If you are trading CL, then potential would have been $650 per contract for one contract. And then if you sell the first one, that would have been around $210 right there on the fourth or fifth candle. So $200 there plus $650 on that line. If you're trading CL, if you are trading minus or the micro accounts, micro CL, MCL, then you have to consider this one as lower as at 1/10 of the value. So it's $63 there, and around $21 right there. So it's 1/10 of a value. So that would have been the entry. Again, this happened when it moved away from that from this candle in here in the 30 minutes, but also the entry and the trigger was given by this candle right here and with momentum, right? Then it went up, tried to make a wick here, but it's already too extended. So you don't have permission, let's put it that way, to enter that one. Then you go up here. There's a potential wick right there, but it's still you are moving above the zero line on the momentum here. Finally, if you see by noon, then you have another entry here, which is a week out of the cloud, right? So you have a cloud, the price go to the cloud and then reverse and gives another sweet entry right there, which is actually that second. If you're looking at the 30-minute anchor chart, that one is going to move to the downside all the way down here, and that entry would have been a potential of, let's see, $530 in the full CL or $53 in the micro. So that is per contract. So if you sell the first one, again, is $200 or $20 in the micro for the first one, and then the second one would have been like 53 additional dollars or $530. So those are in one more thing. So you see that the trend in crude has been moving down. So you are not betting that the trend is going to change. You have to consider this channel that it's moving down and look for entries in the upper side of this channel. And especially if it's bouncing where you have a confluence in between the channel and the moving averages. So you see how it's going up, getting closer to the channel, and then the trigger is with the moving averages down below. Okay, so just wanted to show you that. Hopefully this one was good for you. It was not an easy day to trade. I have to tell you that it was a pretty difficult, but there are clear signals for entry in crude. With that, I wish you the best and see you in the next video.